Most probably, you have understood that universal grammar is a common set of principles and structure among all languages of this world. What does it mean? It means that it's a notion that every language, every human language will have nouns, every human language will have verbs, every human language will have question marks or interrogation, every human language will have some numbers, that means negative and also a singular number and plural. That is the universal pattern. So the term universal grammar is derived from this term. That is, among all the languages of this world, there is a universal pattern. What is the pattern? There is a linkage, co-linkage among the languages all over the world. And they say that is why such kind of correlations and why such kind of linkages among the language all over the world. And for this reason, uh, Noam Chomsky, the American linguist, he suggests that every human language is linked with each other for some biological functions. That is pre-wired in human language. That means every human language, every human brain is pre-wired by some by some set of principles. প্রত্যেক মানুষের ব্রেন তাদের জন্মের আগে থেকেই প্রি-ওয়ার্ড, আগে থেকেই সন্নিবেশিত থাকে, সাসেপ্টেবল থাকে, সংবেদনশীল থাকে কোনো কিছু গ্রহণ করার জন্য। সেটা কি সেট অফ প্রিন্সিপাল, একটা ভাষার সেট অফ প্রিন্সিপাল গ্রহণ করার জন্য, সেটাকেই নম চমস্কি বলছেন ইউনিভার্সাল গ্রামার। And that language set of principles is linked to the structure of a language. So that is Noam Chomsky. So Noam Chomsky, universal grammar is a system of categories, mechanisms that constraints shared by all human languages and considered to be innate. That means pre-word, জন্মগতভাবেই প্রত্যেক মানুষ তার ব্রেনের মধ্যে কিছু ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স অর্জন করেছে, যেটাকে বলছি কিনা আমরা ইনেট, যেটা হলো সেই সেট অফ ক্যাটেগরিজ। কোন ক্যাটেগরিজ? সেট অফ ক্যাটেগরিজ, দ্যাট মিনস নাউন, ভার্বস, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। মেকানিজম, হুইচ মেকানিজম? That is the biological function. According to Noam Chomsky, that is LAD, that is language acquisition device, and constraint shared by the all human language and considered to be innate. And that is from our birth, from every human's birth, that this innate properties will be there. Why such kind of universal grammar is there? That is, it aims to solve the logical problem in language acquisition. তাহলে আমরা যেটা বলছি যে প্রত্যেক ভাষার মধ্যে এরকম মিল কেন, এবং প্রত্যেক ভাষার মধ্যে যদি মিল থাকে তাহলে মানুষ কিভাবে তার প্রথম মাতৃভাষা শেখে? এই যে লজিক, এই যে প্রশ্নগুলো, এই লজিক্যাল প্রশ্নগুলোর একটা উত্তর পাওয়ার জন্য ইউনিভার্সাল গ্রামার comes up. Noam Chomsky comes up with this idea of universal grammar to answer these logical questions. In 1960s, linguists became interested in the new category or theory about grammar or the laws of language. The theory was popularized by an American linguist named Noam Chomsky, who often focused on the effortless language learning of young children. That means Noam Chomsky focuses that how do effortless, effortless language learning. He has talked about these issues, and for this reason, he has prescribed this theory of universal grammar proposes that if human beings are brought up under normal condition, not those of extreme sensory deprivation, they will always develop language. যদি স্বাভাবিকভাবে একজন মানুষ যেটা জন্মগ্রহণ করে সেটা যদি একজন মানুষ করে থাকে, তাহলে কি হবে? They will always develop language with certain properties. Yeah? They will develop language with certain, that means distinguishing nouns from verbs and distinguishing functions, words from the content words. Okay, so if every human being or brain is susceptible to sustain or accept a language, that is universal grammar. In 1965, American linguist Noam Chomsky offered a response to the behaviorist thinking at the time. Previously, we had been talking about that innatism. Innatism is opposite to behaviorism. Behaviorism is that we learn language by our social contact, by our relation between each other. But Noam Chomsky comes up with the opposite idea. He said that for first language acquisition, social contribution and the parents' contribution has nothing to do because human brain is pre-wired from his birth to accept the first language. So this grammar, universal grammar, is a reaction against the behaviorist theory of language acquisition. He proposed that a theory known as universal grammar, a nativist approach, is to language development. Noam Chomsky used this theory on the idea that all languages contain similar structure and rules. And the fact that children everywhere acquire language the same way without much effort and seem to indicate that we are born wired with the basics already present in our brain. তার মানে আমাদের ব্রেনের মধ্যে অলরেডি এরকম একটা স্ট্রাকচার এন্ড প্যাটার্ন আছে, এটা নিয়ে আমরা যখন মন করেছি, সো উই ক্যান লার্ন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইজিলি উইদাউট এনি এফার্ট, কোনো কষ্ট ছাড়াই আমরা এটা শিখে থাকি। Universal grammar is a theoretical concept by Noam Chomsky, not without criticism or controversy from scholars in the scientific community, that human brain contains an innate mental grammar that helps humans acquire language. So, universal grammar is a theory proposed that humans possess innate faculties relating to the acquisition of language. The definition of universal grammar has evolved considerably since it was first postulated, and moreover since the 1940 decades when it became a specific object of modern linguistic research. And that means that the second half or first half of the 20th century and the second half of the 20th century became the groundbreaking field of research relating to language learning, language development, language acquisition. In that regard, our linguist Noam Chomsky proposed this criteria, that is the language acquisition. It is associated with the work of generative grammar. It is based on the idea that certain aspects of structure are universal. Okay, so universal grammar consists of a set of automatic categories and relations that are building blocks on the particular grammar of the human language, over which syntactic structure and constraint on this structure are defined. That is universal grammar. A universal grammar would suggest that all languages possess the same set of categories and the relations that, in order to communicate to language, speakers make infinite use of infinite means. Infinite use of infinite means. What does it mean? It means that human brain has infinite means, মানে power. আর এটা কি স্পিকার্স, কারা কি স্পিকার্স? মানে আমরা মানুষেরা স্পিকার্স মেক ইনফাইনাইট ইউজ, এই ব্রেনের বিভিন্ন ধরনের ব্যবহার করে এই ভাষাটা শেখে। এই কারিকুলামকেই বলা হচ্ছে ইউনিভার্সাল গ্রামার that was proposed by Noam Chomsky. Okay, so the universal grammar is a proposal proposed by American linguist Noam Chomsky in the second half of 20th century. At that time, when there was a groundbreaking field of research relating to language development, language learning, and second language. Why? Because all Commonwealth countries got independence. People are moving from here and there. They had the necessity to communicate with the world population, and for this reason, there is a necessity. So, this universal grammar is a principle, is a notion that a set of principle or structure common in all languages, just like nouns, pronouns, adjective, verbs that are common in all languages. And for this reason, there is a correlation among the language of this world. And for this reason, human beings learn language quite naturally with the infinite uses of the infinite human brain, where we preserve LAD, the language acquisition device.